We've all been told the same thing. Bleach is the ultimate cleaner. It whitens, it disinfects, it kills germs. But here's the shocking truth. There's a natural cleaner that not only matches bleach, in some cases, it works even better. It's safer, cheaper, and you probably already have it at home. Before I reveal this secret, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell icon. Because what you're about to discover could change the way you clean forever. Why bleach isn't always the answer. Bleach is powerful, yes, but it's also harsh. It can irritate skin, trigger allergies, damage fabrics, and release fumes dangerous to breathe. And while it kills germs, it doesn't always clean dirt and grime effectively. In fact, bleach often masks stains instead of removing them. What good is white if it hides dirt underneath? The secret natural cleaner. So what's the alternative? Hydrogen peroxide. This simple natural compound, H2O2, works as a disinfectant, whitener, and deodorizer. Unlike bleach, it breaks down into water and oxygen, leaving no toxic residue. That's why doctors use it on wounds, and why it's a hidden powerhouse for your home. Why it works better. Hydrogen peroxide releases oxygen when it contacts bacteria, mold, or stains. That bubbling action doesn't just kill germs, it lifts dirt, breaks down organic matter, and neutralizes odors at the root. Bleach hides stains. Hydrogen peroxide erases them, and it's safe enough for everyday use. Now imagine this. You walk into your bathroom, not greeted by the choking smell of bleach, but by true freshness. Tiles gleam, grout lines brighten, surfaces sparkle. You breathe deeply and feel safe, knowing your home is clean without chemicals that harm your family. That's the quiet power of this natural cleaner. How to use it. The 3 best ways. Number 1. In the bathroom, spray 3% hydrogen peroxide directly onto sinks, tubs, and grout. Let it bubble for 10 minutes, then scrub lightly. Mold, soap scum, and stains vanish. No bleach smell, no toxic fumes. Number 2. In the laundry. Add 1 cup to your wash cycle for brighter whites and odor-free clothes. It whitens without weakening fabrics the way bleach does. Perfect for towels, sheets, and workout clothes. Number 3. In the kitchen. Use it to clean cutting boards, countertops, and sponges. It kills bacteria like E. coli and salmonella naturally, making your kitchen safer without harsh chemicals. Please drop a comment below and tell us how you use hydrogen peroxide to clean things around your home. We truly do love to hear from you. Bonus trick. Odor neutralizer. Have a smelly trash can or fridge? Spray hydrogen peroxide inside. It neutralizes odors instantly, not by covering them, but by eliminating their source. Mistakes people make. Using too strong a concentration, stick to 3% for home use. Mixing it with vinegar or bleach. This creates harmful reactions. Storing it in clear bottles. Light breaks it down. Always keep it in a dark container. Avoid these mistakes, and hydrogen peroxide becomes one of the safest, most effective cleaners you'll ever use. Why this feels like a secret? Because it is. Companies profit from selling you dozens of specialized cleaners, bathroom sprays, kitchen sprays, laundry boosters, but hydrogen peroxide quietly replaces them all. Cheap, multi-purpose, safe. No marketing campaign, just forgotten wisdom. The bigger lesson. And maybe, this isn't just about cleaning. In life too, we're told we need expensive, complicated solutions to our problems. But often, the simplest, most natural answers are right in front of us. Like hydrogen peroxide. Quiet, powerful, overlooked. So here it is. The natural cleaner that works better than bleach. Hydrogen peroxide. It whitens, disinfects, deodorizes, and protects, without harming your home, your health, or your wallet. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful, unconventional hacks that make life simpler, safer, and smarter. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because sometimes the strongest solutions are also the gentlest.